Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this session, we'll discuss about region command in Revit, how we can use masking option of Revit, and the same will apply filled region as well in Revit. How we can do that thing, what are the purposes of doing that thing, those kind of things we'll discuss in this video. So let's start. As of now, you can see we have this boundary right there, and we have one duct and one pipe crossing this particular wall. Okay, so what I do not want to show anything outside of this wall. Okay, so I wanted to hide this portion right side of my wall. How I can do that thing? I do not want to delete, I do not want to split or those kind of things with my duct or pipe. I just wanted to hide that one on a particular view or on a sheet, so that we can see only inside element on particular sheet or view. So right now we'll start applying the masking, how we can do that thing. So firstly we'll go in under tab right there, click on region command, and I'll go with the masking region, and I'll create a boundary outside of that particular portion that I wanted to hide. So I wanted to hide this duct outside of this particular wall and this pipe. So I'll create a boundary for that particular duct and this pipe. Press cap, select, one more time, select the boundary and change the line type to invisible, so that the boundary will not be visible. Okay, and click on OK. Now you can see wherever I have created that particular boundary, the duct and pipe element in that particular portion, it's not visible. Okay, we can pin that particular box so that it will not move. Okay, and it will not get selected. Okay, but yes, definitely if you click on the pipe or tray, it will be showing the full length of that particular one, but it will not be visible in the sheet as well if you are printing that one. Okay, and also we can edit the boundary line after creating that one. Right now you can see these 4 arrows, we can stretch it if you want, and we can hide or edit the area of that particular masking region. Okay, so that is the use of the masking command. You can hide anything, it's not related to a pipe or duct only. You can hide the wall as well. Like if I want to hide this wall, you can see this wall is hidden. Okay, so something you can do with any kind of 3D element, you can hide those ones and Revit sheets or views. Okay, but for example, what is the what is the use of filters in then? So for example, I want to show these pipes, but I want to hatch that particular portion so that I can comment that it is outside of my scope of work or those kind of things. So how I can highlight, or there will be another reasons of creating a hatch or those kind of things. So how I can create a hatch? So right now I'm in filled region command, and I'll create a hatch right there by creating the boundary, same way as we have done earlier. You can make it invisible, those kind of things, but as we are creating the hatch will be visible. So that is why I wanted to show my boundary as well. So I'll go with the thin lines only, but yes, you can change the line type if you want to change. Okay, now I'll click on OK. You can see now there is hatch button that is opaque. That is why we cannot see the duct and pipe which is in that particular region. If you wanted to make them visible but hatch as well, what you can do, you can select the hatch, go and edit type, click this masking and check. Okay, and OK. Now you can see our pipes and trays, pipes and duct is also visible, but our hatch button is also visible. For example, if you want to change the hatch button, not vertical line, you want to cross line as hatch. So what I can do, I'll go with the diagonal cross hatch. This is opaque again. We can go with transparent. So this is transparent, the same way it will be applied. If you want to change the hatch button that is not visible right there, what you can do, you can click on edit type. You can click on the foreground fill pattern, but before that I'll suggest you to create a duplicate detail item or duplicate hatch button, so that you cannot change the previous default settings of all the hatch buttons that you are seeing in Revit. Why I'm saying that one, if you will change directly from right there, it will change this main hash button in Revit, and if another guy already used the same one in his sheets or those kind of things, the same one will be changed. So before changing any settings in a particular family or any item, please make sure that you are creating a duplicate item for that one. So click on duplicate, give your proper name, whatever you wanted to give, and then click on this foreground fill pattern, and you can choose any fill pattern from right there. Suppose I want to give this one sand dense, so I'll click on this one, click on OK and OK, and you can see this is sand type of fill pattern we are getting right there. So that is all kind of things about recent command of Revit, filters and masking, things that we have learned in this video. So thanks a lot guys for watching this one. Let's meet in my next video.